Welcome back to Cosmeholics Anonymous. I am your favorite new mama bougie vintage, and today's video is a makeup tutorial. It's a quick, I lied, it's not gonna be quick. It's a get ready with me. I'm gonna try to make it as quick as possible, but we don't know what's gonna happen. I've already sprayed SMASHBOX primer water, and now I'm gonna be taking my Silk Canvas by TATCHA. And I'm also going to use a little bit of my MAC matte cream. Now I'll be color correcting with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. For foundation, I'll be going with NARS today. I always fucking do that. Not on my favorite pregnancy dress. I'm glad I was wearing this dress and not my robe, because then I would have been very upset. I just can't get over that lady telling Oprah she could add salt and pepper herself to the chicken. Like, bitch, you want $1 million and you're gonna tell me to add salt and pepper myself? No, bitch. I think that's so funny. Now I'm filling my brows in with my Benefit Brow, but we are priming with our brow primer from Benefit. Tape down. And I really don't even know what I'm doing today. I can't find my Pat McGrath palette, so I'm gonna set up a box of crayons, child. Very different, but it's okay. Eyeshadow primer before I get started. Almost forgot. I'll start with brown. So we're starting with this color here. That is so pigmented. I was not expecting that. I'm going to go into the NORVINA palette, and I'm going to use this shade, which is Dreamer. Hopefully it's not too crazy, but we're going to use it for the brow bone. Ugh. Now I'm taking my paint pot and Painterly. I'm going to take the shade Deep Plum, and I'm just going to go above the line that we just drew in. But I'm not going to take it all the way into. I'm going to stop it about right here, and then I'm going to take that first brush I was using, and I'm just going to diffuse where the purple and the brown meet. So now I'm going to take my MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid in Rayon Rays. Then I'm going to take my STILA Liquid Glitter and Glow in Gold Goddess. We're going to make our coat about halfway. And I'm going to add a liquid liner. Using Maple Concealer from Too Faced. To contour, I'm taking my MAC 24-Hour Concealer. Going on? My skin's having a reaction. A really bad one. Really, really bad. No, my skin looks like some fucking crunch bar right now. To set, I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder. To contour, I'm going to be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep. For blush, I'm going with Raisin by MAC. To highlight, I'll be taking Superb by MAC. We're going to take Stone Lip Pencil on the waterline. And then back into Box of Crayons. And we're going to choose, I'm going to go with red on the lower lash line. take MAC's Flash and Dash. I'm applying their Real Mascara to the bottom lashes. I'm going to apply my falsies off camera and come back and do my lips and my wig in that. Okay, so I will be right back. Okay, so my wig is from Julia Hair and it is 30 inches, so it's super long and I'm super short. And I used only 2 bundles actually. Well, 2 and a little bit. I used a 30 inch, a 28 inch, and another 30 inch. And it came with a 20 inch frontal. So I just glued it. So as you see, I'm not wearing a wig cap. I did bleach the knots on the lace. And I'm just going to sort of flatten it with my hot comb, and then I'm gonna go and fix my baby hairs because I cannot see at all in this camera. I'm using the viewfinder. I look crazy. Give it a minute. And I'm only running the hot comb through the frontal because the rest of the hair is already straight. So on my wigs, I like to take a little bit of powder and apply it to the part. And that just helps your part to look more natural. I don't ever put like concealer or anything. I'm gonna finish my hair after. I'm gonna go and finish it. I'm gonna line my lips with Bittersweet. I'm going to use Unbutton by Fenty Beauty. Ew, look at how she gets on my teeth. That's how you know her formula is way too watery. And then on top, I'm going to use Lily's Motor City.
I'm on the bullshit, 23 hoes. I'm on the bullshit, 23 hoes. Fuck a palm reading nigga when you palm itch. Need a presidential rollie and a bomb bitch. I'm on the broad shit, 23 hoes, all shit. Said she never been as high inside a cockpit. I bet she leave a new nigga just to get with me. I'm flashing her the swag and this ain't new to me. Man, fucking on her head, that bitch wildin'. Fucking with me had to get that whole style.
Anyway, you guys, that's it for this Get Ready With Me. I love you all, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.